Hello everyone! Today we will be upgrading a Mercedes central control screen. These are the cables and the disassembly tools. First, we use the hook to open the two clips inside the air vent. They are very small. You need to find them. Then take out the air vent. There are 3 plugs on its back. We unplug them one by one. Next, we loosen the 4 screws securing the main unit, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top. Then we take out the original main unit and unplug all the connectors at the back. Remember to take a photo before unplugging. Next, we use the pry bar to open the panel of the original screen. Then loosen 2 screws. Take out the original screen and unplug all the connectors. Now it's time to route the cables. We pass the white head of the new power cable from the main unit position to the screen position. That should be about right. We plug back all the small connectors from the main unit, according to the color and position. Now we connect one end of the new power cable to the original main unit power and connect the other end to the main unit. Then reinstall the main unit and secure all the screws. Now we install the new screen base. Here we need to leave out the power and LEDs connectors. We secure it in place. Now we plug the 2 connectors into the corresponding positions on the back of the new screen. Find the right position for the new screen. Open the back cover and secure it with screws. Finally, we reconnect the 3 plugs on the air vent panel. And reinstall the air vents. Let's briefly demonstrate the functions. It supports music playback. You can also adjust the sound quality according to your preferences. When you are not driving, you can watch movies. It supports wireless Carplay. You can use the voice assistant here, make calls, listen to music, use map navigation, etc. It has many features. Supports original car knob control. Retains the original car system. Syncs real-time air conditioning information. There are many other functions that we won't demonstrate one by one. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.